Harry? Harry! I need to talk to you. Explain things.
No, it's my father. Raised him from the dead.
Harry! I need your help. I can't take them both. Not by myself.